Shares of Veren were in the green today after the company reported strong fourth quarter results and guidance that met estimates. Let's go to Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes. She's been looking at that today. Stephanie, Veren picked up, but has been on a downward slide over the last year. So what's happening there?
Well, what's happening, Marella, is that Veren's really reversing its underperformance today, with shares gaining as much as 12% today. That was the biggest intraday gain since July 2022. So it's been a while since we've seen a move of this magnitude for the company. And like you mentioned, this energy exploration company reported some strong results in the fourth quarter with its adjusted earnings and free cash flow per share beating analyst estimates there. Its production guidance also came in line with what analysts were expecting, so there weren't any disappointments there. So it was considered a strong beat from many in the analyst community, including TD Cowen, that said that Veren is really moving past this operational setback it saw in the back half of 2024. That was particularly seen in the Montney project over in Alberta. They also noted that the company still has high-quality assets and an extensive deep drilling inventory. So there are a few things going right for Veren today. On top of that, TD described Veren's debt as comfortable, so manageable debt loads as it pursues projects and keeps the inventory strong there. So with all that, TD said it's not seeing any negative technical revisions to oil reserves. And the company said that, TD said that these results mean that the company should be able to move past some of the setbacks and that was seen in the latter half of last year and move past any residual concerns that investors might still have on Veren there. So it's things are looking up there, Marella.
Sounds good. Let's get to quantum mining, also on the radar today. It had a nice bump. So what led to that?
Right, so this was another TSX gainer that was, it moved by as much as 8%. It was the biggest gain since last December. And all this came down to comments made by the Panama president, Jose Raul Molino, who said that when speaking to reporters, he said that the government is exploring novel ideas, in his words, on handling First Quantum's giant copper mine in the country. So he added that the company needs to drop its arbitration cases against the country. But what's more important is that these remarks really gave investors renewed hope that a deal could be reached to reopen one of the world's largest copper mines, sparking the rise in share price. So for a little bit of context here, the Cobre mine has been an ongoing issue with First Quantum in that it has been closed in late 2023, and there was a lot of uncertainty among investors and the analyst community on what a restart could look like. So there's been a few updates here and there, but these comments right now from the president of Panama are giving people a lot more confidence that something can be reached here, Marella.
And it sounds like there's been sort of up and downs here, but it's up almost 46% over the year. So it's really been peaks and valleys for investors.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think a lot of that is due to the metals play there. We're seeing a lot of people pile into commodities just in general over the past couple of weeks and months there. A lot of it has to do with the uncertainty in the economic environment. But I think this is another leg in what could be fueling the company there, Marella.
All right. We've got Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes with that update today. Thanks for that.